Canonical tags. Canonical tags are very important from the point of view of SEO. In today's video, we will try to solve the mystery of canonical tags. What is its meaning? How to use it? And how not to use it? We will see all these things in today's video. So let's get into it. Assalamu alaikum. Hi viewers. I'm Asma. Welcome to my channel Organically Marketing. Canonical means favorite. Through canonical tags, you tell Google, this is my favorite page among many pages. This page I want to index. The use of canonical tags is to sort out the issue of duplicate content or URL. For example, let's imagine I have a website. I posted this same content on 3 blogs. The URL of the post is like www.organicallymarketing.com/keyword research. The next one is www.organicallymarketing.com/keyword research 2025. And the third one is www.organicallymarketing.com/advanced keyword research. The content is the same on all these 3 posts. But now I acknowledge that Google will not rank all of these 3 blog posts. This will count as duplicate content. But I don't want to remove the other 2 posts because I have equally spent time and hard work on them. Then I will move towards a solution to this, which is canonical tag. I am saying that my favorite post is number 2, www.organicallymarketing.com/keyword research 2025, and I want to index this, right? Now the question arises, on which of these 3 posts will canonical tag be used? The answer is that the canonical tag will be used on all these 3 posts, and the confusion starts from here. First, let's see how canonical tags look like. For example, if you want to check the canonical tag of any website, just go to that website. This is my website, Organically Marketing. Go to the source file of website by pressing Ctrl+U. Press Ctrl+F, and write canonical. You will find the canonical tag in the head section. Canonical tag of website always appears in your head section. Let's copy paste it here. We will understand what is this. First of all, there is open bracket. After open bracket, there is link in canonical tag, link, then real mean relationship is equal, open double quote, then canonical tag, then close double quote. After that, href is equal, open double quote, and between the open and close double quote, we will write our desired URL. It could be any website, it could be your post or page. After that, reverse slash and closed quote, right, or close bracket. So viewers, if you notice, I said you can also write here your website's URL. Yes, you can. For example, there could be a scenario, my website URL is https organicallymarketing.com. This is without www. For example, if someone is typing https organicallymarketing.com, or someone is typing http without s organicallymarketing.com, or if someone is writing https but with www organicallymarketing.com, or maybe someone is writing http without s but with www organicallymarketing.com, and someone is writing www organically marketing, or someone is just writing organically marketing. In all these scenarios, or if just in one scenario, someone just writing one URL or writing all these URL, they should or he should land on my this URL, which is https organicallymarketing.com. I will add a canonical tag on this specific URL like this. For example, I will show you this. I am writing all the scenarios here without s. This could be a long process, but for your better understanding, just for your better understanding, right? www.organicallymarketing.com and https without http without s but with www.organicallymarketing.com. And in the next window I will write just www.organicallymarketing.com, and last but not least just organicallymarketing.com. If I open every page or every window, you can see the URL of my website is same, https://organicallymarketing.com. You can see, because I add a canonical tag on this specific URL. You can see the source file, right? So viewers, this is the way you can add your website URL, or if you want to add your post or page URL, you can add in the between the double quote the URL of any post, page or website, right? So viewers, this is our canonical tag. So back to our first example. Post number 2 is my favorite. I will add a canonical tag like this: www.organicallymarketing.com/keyword research 2025 in my post number 2. Post number 1 and 3 have these links. Then again I will add same link with www.organicallymarketing.com/keyword research 2025 for both posts too. It is also called self-referencing canonical. Through this process, I am telling Google or any search engine that I have 3 posts with the same content, but please rank post number 2 out of them. Now Google will index my post number 2. Now let's see the advantages of a canonical tag. Number one advantage of this setup is that if anyone copies your content and Google sees this content on any external page, it will make your page canonical. The second advantage is that because of different reasons like www, https or trailing slash issues, which are becoming duplicate content and pages in technical terms, in those cases also your original page will be indexed by Google and no other version will be indexed. The third advantage is that only your clean URL will be indexed. Let's say you are using a different UTM parameter on your website or a query parameter. For example, to improve our website speed on mobile, we sometimes add AMP, accelerated mobile pages. Then our URL will be like this with AMP after slash. So in different versions of your URL are being made like this. Google will not index these different versions, query and UTM parameter URLs because you have used a self-referencing canonical/canonical tag. So this was the theory of canonical tag. In our next videos, we will see how to use the canonical tag on pages, or should we use no index tag with a canonical tag or not, or what issues do you face because of canonical tags in your Google Search Console, and last but not least, how can you solve them. So viewers, don't miss any video. Subscribe Organically Marketing. If you have any queries, you can ask in the comment section below. Or you can directly approach me on my social media accounts too. Accounts link are in the description. Thanks for watching. We will meet in our next video. Till then, bye. Assalamu alaikum.